Now, because I know this video was about more than 5 minutes, and that's because in my last video that I shared with you all, me applying some artificial nails, I said to you, hey, if y'all give me enough thumbs up, that I will come back and give you a raw, uncut, full look into my at-home artificial nail collection. So without further ado, let me show it to you. Okay, dolls, so as I promised, here is a look into the collection. This is just the beginning. There are more, and these was collected over a period of time, okay? These was not collected in 1 year, 1 week, nor 1 month. These have been collected ever since I started doing my own nails. And this is just a glimpse into the many different styles that I have. I just wanted to share these with you because I'm about to organize them for their rightful place. And actually, I'm going to show you where I organize them, but I want to at least show you these particular ones right here. These are all the stiletto versions in which I have shown you in previous videos, and you have seen me wear throughout some videos. Now, some of you may look at this and go, oh my gosh, this is so many nails. This woman, she spent all this money on these nails. Let me tell y'all something. Over a course of a long period of time for me collecting these nails, I don't see that I spent a lot of money on these nails. I see that I saved a lot of money from going to the nail salon, because if you can guess the total amount of all these nails, it still is far cheaper than the total amount of me going to an actual nail salon getting my nails done. So anyway, let me now show you how I'm going to organize these nails in their rightful place. Let's go. So now that you had a chance to see my nails, to some of you, I know that was a lot of nails. I know. But let me tell you all, the amount of nails that you see there, those was collected over a period of time, okay? I didn't collect those in 1 week, nor 1 month, nor 1 day. I collected those over the course of maybe 3.5 years now. So in 3.5 nails, in 3.5 years, that is how many artificial nails that I have since then collected. And I have been doing my own nails for the last 3.5 nails. So those nails, I have saved hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, because when I add those nails up, it don't even measure to what I would have spent in 1 year going to a nail salon getting my hand done looking like this, okay? In 1 year going to a nail salon, I would have spent way more than what that artificial nail collection is worth that you just seen. So I showed you that, but at least now let me show you how I actually store and organize them. Okay, dolls, so here is how I am currently storing all my artificial nails, in which I've just shown you as they were laid out on the table. And this is how I put them in they needed to be respective places. And I also added like little sticky notes on each of them so I can know what nail is there when I open the drawer. Previously, when I had them stored like this, I wasn't able to tell which was blue, which was pink, or whatever. So now all I gotta do is go, oh, French nails. Okay, French, and it has silver. I want to use this pack, which by the way looks like that. So that's what helps me to determine what the nails are going to be looking like. And this is the secondary drawer. So all the nails that I showed you on the table are now in their respected places. Okay, dolls, so now that I done showed you how I organize the nails, and now that I done gave you a full look into the collection, so what do you think? I mean, I think it's a pretty decent collection. I've seen some that's probably more than what I have. So comment down below if you know of any other videos that got insane nail collections so I can check them out too. As always, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Later, dolls.